tinatawagan po natin si Councilor Arnold T. Divina. Hindi lang po siya isang konsehal, siya rin po ay doktor na, diba? PhD na po siya ngayon. So ito po ay resolution profoundly conveying and expressing the Sangguniang Panlungsod's War Congratulatory Message, felicitations and meritorious commendation to Honorable City Councilor Dr. Arnold T. Divina of the 2nd District of Caloocan City for finishing his doctorate in public administration at the University of Caloocan City this 1st of July 2024.
Dito kaya tayo. And ay, sige. Smile. Ready po.